You shot it or? Oh yeah. He's on there. It was kind of like a tip, and then it went right down. Toss that on. Oh, it looks good. It smells even better. It's a little bit grumpy. Hasn't been fired in a few days. Okay, well I think everything's pretty squared up. Haven't seen the boat run in a while, so I just wanted to come down and make sure things were good. So things are good. We're gonna go out tomorrow. We got a bit of a window on the wind, and so we're gonna squeak out, see what we can do. So stay posted. Got our first king in the box. Do a little catch and cut. Fry him up, make a nice little dinner out of her. See how she goes. She's looking pretty good right now. There's a few fish in town. Sammy's gonna go for the adjust. See if we can move a few more. We just blew one. We need to get him going though, this is the thing. Man!
Shot it or? Oh yeah. He's on there.
Oh, I'm done. Sam.
Today I show you how to fillet a salmon today. You have a knife and a bag for me to put this in. To fillet salmon. Okay. Put it down the table. Why are you laughing? Oh my god, the water's so cold.
Well, it wasn't bad for not knowing pretty much where the fish were or anything like that. It's been about 2 weeks since we've had a shot to go out in terms of just having a window of weather. So they were spread out for sure. So we got our one little eater fish. Yeah, now we're gonna go to a local port and fish some salmon, see if we can catch a few there. Should be a decent day. slobbergob. Welcome back, guys. So we're back home now. We've had the fish in the fridge for about a day, and I think we're about ready to prepare the meat up. There she is in all her glory. I am going to Google review a recipe that Google review? I don't think it's a Google review. I think I'm going to Google a recipe and see what I can find. Just want something super simple. I just want to whip it up nice and quick, but yeah, a nice little catch and cook here. Lake Ontario Chinook salmon recipe. Okay, I think I found one here. Captain James, we're gonna take a look at your recipe. It looks pretty delish. It is calling for 2 garlic cloves minced, light olive oil, basil, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, parsley, and some Chinook. So I'm gonna round up those ingredients and we'll get her on road. Okay, we've got some basil, parsley. Not sure if we have that. Might have to substitute for nothing. I think we're gonna have to substitute the parsley. That's all right though. We've got some garlic cloves right there. Maybe one big honker. I think that should be all right. Oh, maybe a little small guy. That'll do it. Easy there, tiger. Okay, got the salmon fillets, a little bit of lemon juice. Let's see if we've got lemons. I'm not sure if we have lemons. Oh, we've got lemons. Oh, yes we do. Okay, we're in. Pop that there. Got our salt. Got our olive oil. Ground black pepper. This thing will give us some pepper of some sort. Okay, I think we're set. Can you see that? 375 Fahrenheit preheat. So 375. There's our 375 for the gentleman. Nothing in the stove. I think we're good there. Okay, so now we are doing remove pin bones. Where's our pin bones? Do we do it? I mean, we could do it. I mean, what's the fun in that? There's no fun in that. So we are going to pour some olive oil on, just like that. Okay. Toss that on. Okay, chopping board. Cloves of garlic. Knife that is hopefully sharp. Dice it up. Lemon in half. Probably don't need this much lemon, but we are still going to send it. Going to hit it with some pepper and some salt. I forgot one final piece to this recipe, and it consists of something the boys from down south call Old Bay spice. I think that's gonna do it. I think we've nailed it on the dot. We're gonna cover this up with some more tin foil so it's nice and tight. And we are gonna put it on for about 10 minutes, and then we are gonna open up the foil and let it, I guess, seal over. That is what the recipe is calling for anyways. Full disclaimer, I am not a chef, but I expect this to taste absolutely delicious. So let's get it in there, put our timer for 10 minutes, and we're in. Okay, so timer just went off for 10 minutes. We're gonna pull this thing out, take the tin foil off. I've got my brother on salad duty currently. Oh my, Andrew, that smells sporty. Oh, okay. Here's what we got, the final product. Almost final product anyway. Right, we put it back in. Oh, it looks good. It smells even better. That's fantastic. And then I think she is set. Salad duty. Okay, I think we're set. I think the salmon is officially cooked. Going as well. We've got our Chinook salmon ready to go, smelling absolutely delectable. Okay. Salad is almost done. Our fish is cooling off. Got some fresh chaga tea for the gentleman. Okay, here goes our first bite. Slide into it. This is our piece with no Y bone. This piece has bone along this line here, Andrew. So just be careful of that. Other than that, everything else is boneless, okay? Ooh. Ooh. That looks good. Oh! It's good. Try, man. Super, super moist too. Well, with that being said, I think I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this beautiful Chinook salmon with my brother here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and stay posted for future videos. I think it's gonna be a pretty exciting year in the world of dance, so stay posted for it, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos. Obviously this year I've tried to do a bit more of the vlog style videos, but due to the nature of what I do, especially on the charter boats, I don't have a lot of time to do that. You get pretty overwhelmed with the actual operating side of things. But you know, if you guys show interest and you want to see more, you know, we might be able to make something work, and I'll put more effort into creating more of these style videos. So let me know what you guys think in the description. No.
Comments below.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if you guys want to see more of these. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next clip. Peace.